While we finish setting up your device, let's take a quick tour of your new Fire TV stick. Now you can watch your favorite shows and movies just by talking to your Alexa voice remote.
Do you work for the CIA?
No, I'm not employed by them. I'm made by Amazon.
Alexa, I have mainstream news articles that Amazon is owned by the CIA. Oh, got to go back to the central computer for that. And then they use this to watch you in your house, to see the human environment, and then to mold and actually educate their own AI system. So Amazon, Facebook, Google, Apple, they're all in a race with these in your house where you teach it how to be artificially intelligent. But really all it is a bugging system. That way, you leave your smartphone or the power's off. This is always plugged in every part of the house, listening to everything you do. Alexa.
You can control your Fire TV device with an Alexa voice remote, Amazon Fire TV remote, or the Amazon Fire TV remote app. To get the remote app, search for Amazon Fire TV remote app in your preferred app store from any compatible device and follow the on-screen instructions to download. You can use the 5-way directional trackpad on your remote to move up, down, left, or right. Press the middle select button to select a content item, function, or category. Home returns you to the home screen from any other screen. Use the menu button to view more options for your current selection. And back returns you to the previous screen or action. The media controls let you rewind, play, pause, and fast-forward video. Press menu during video playback to turn on subtitles or change the audio language. With the Alexa voice remote, you can use your voice to interact with your device. Search for the content you're looking for, play videos, launch apps, and more. Press and hold the voice button, wait for the tone, and then speak. You can use your voice to search for movies, music, games, apps, and TV shows such as Transparent. When you finish speaking, release the voice button. Your Fire TV then searches your library, Amazon, and compatible apps to find what you're looking for. You'll need to access content from some providers directly within the provider's app. You can filter search results by selecting a content row such as movies and TV. In addition to search, you can also use your voice to play videos and launch apps. For videos, just say play, followed by the title of the movie or TV show you want to start watching. For apps, say launch, followed by the title of the app or game you want to open. Your Fire TV also features Amazon Alexa. With Alexa, you can get music, news, weather, information, and more just by speaking. Press and hold the voice button, wait for the tone, and then ask your question. How's the weather in Seattle? Learn more about using Alexa on Fire TV at amazon.com/help/Fire TV/Alexa.